Welcome to the Essential Guide for International Students, aiming for the prestigious DAAD Scholarship. We're cracking the code on insider strategies for the highly competitive 2026 application cycle. The DAAD, or German Academic Exchange Service, is one of the world's most significant funding organizations for international student mobility. Securing a DAAD scholarship means joining an elite network and studying in Germany, a global leader in research and innovation. This level of prestige demands an outstanding application. For the 2026 cycle, competition will be fierce. We'll reveal the specific, nuanced strategies that move your application from qualified to selected. First, let's establish the non-negotiables, your eligibility and academic foundation. DAAD looks for academic excellence. This means a strong GPA, competitive standardized test scores if required, and a clear alignment between your previous studies and the German program you are applying for. While many master's programs are in English, language proficiency is a critical differentiator. Demonstrate that you have started learning German, even if it's not strictly mandatory for your course. The motivation letter is where most applicants fall short. It's your personal narrative, and it must be compelling. Do not use generic statements. Clearly articulate why Germany is essential for your studies, and specifically, how the chosen university and program perfectly match your academic and professional goals. The DAAD is an exchange service. Therefore, your narrative must connect your studies to your future career and, crucially, to the development of your home country. Your CV and letters of recommendation are the quantitative proof of your excellence. They need meticulous optimization. Your CV should be outcome-oriented. Highlight not just what you did, but the measurable impact of your work, especially leadership roles, publications, or research projects. A strong letter of recommendation comes from a professor or supervisor who knows you well. Guide them to include specific anecdotes and compare you favorably to your peers, validating the claims in your motivation letter. The DAAD offers various scholarship lines. Knowing which one fits your profile is half the battle. Carefully distinguish between programs like EPOS, which demand relevant professional experience, and standard research-based programs. Tailor your narrative to the specific requirements of the chosen DAAD line. Show that you have thoroughly researched life in Germany, the cultural adjustment, and the specific academic demands of your host city and institution. Preparedness signals maturity and seriousness. Let's summarize the key takeaways to launch your DAAD 2026 application. Remember, success hinges on precision, narrative fit, and presenting a holistic profile where your academic achievements, motivation, and future goals align perfectly with the DAAD's mission. The 2026 application process starts now. Begin by researching programs, securing recommendations, and refining that powerful personal narrative. Good luck on your journey to study in Germany.